Hi guys, my name's Sean and I'm an educator with Full Spectrum Education, and I'm here to tell you very quickly about how we can help you with your study. Now, with higher education, be it university, TAFE, college and RTO, it can be super overwhelming. Now you've got lectures, tutorials, research, readings, assessments, assignments, exams. On top of that, you want high grades, and even more than that, you really want to understand the subject matter. Now we can help. We're here to take the weight out of the workload so that you can get those grades and still fully understand what you're learning. So, how do we do it? Let's take a look. First, we sit with you and go through all of your course commitments and expectations, and together develop a study schedule and assessment plan that works for you. We know how important it is to have time away from study, so we help design a schedule that gives you that much needed downtime. Second, we'll work with you to develop strategies that maximize what you get from the huge amount of study materials you have to get through. Basically, we'll show you how to study smart, not hard. Third, we'll show you a very effective and specialized essay planning strategy that will make every essay meet the requirements of the task and take the pain out of writing. No more wondering, where do I start? 4. Every person learns differently. We make sure to identify your individual learning style and work towards that. Knowledge seems a lot more attainable if it's delivered to you in your learning language. So guys, study doesn't have to be stressful. We can give you back that study-life balance so you can actually enjoy this experience. No more sleepless nights. So give us a call, have a chat, and let's take it from there. Let's get this learning started.